Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to download and use the VMware virtual machine. First, open your browser and search for the keyword VMware. Next, open the Fusion and Workstation page. Click Download Now. The website will ask you to sign in. If you don't have an account, you can register for one. After signing in successfully, go to the My Downloads section. Click the Here button to display the list of software you can download. Scroll down and look for the VMware Workstation Pro section. Here, you can choose the version you want to download. In this case, I'm going to select version 17. Next, open the downloaded file and follow along with what I do. Now, open the software you just installed. Now we're going to create a new virtual machine. Choose Custom for better control and flexibility. Choose Install the operating system later. Select the version of Windows you want to use. You can name your virtual machine and choose where to save it. For Windows 11, you'll need to create a password with at least 8 characters. I'll quickly set it from 1 to 8. I increased the number of cores and threads to 2, and I set the RAM to 8 GB. Next, just keep clicking Next and pay attention to the disk size you want to create. Here, I'm going to create a 100 GB virtual hard disk for the virtual machine. Now, adjust the virtual machine settings and insert the Windows ISO file to begin the installation. That's it. Now just power on the virtual machine and install Windows as you normally would. Now that Windows is installed, I'll quickly create a local account by pressing Shift plus F10 and typing Start MSCXH, local only. Now that we're inside Windows, I'm going to install drivers for the virtual machine. To install drivers for the virtual machine, click on the VM tab and select Install VMware Tools. At this point, the D drive will become the location for installing VMware tools. Now, open the D drive and run the setup file. I recommend just clicking Next here to let the installation proceed automatically. Click Yes to restart the computer. All done installing the drivers. You can use your computer normally now. I'll go ahead and personalize it for you. That's a wrap for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more fun and useful Windows tips. Have a great day.